Milescraft is proud to introduce you to their fence clamps. These compact and lightweight fence clamps feature steel-threaded components with a rigid aluminum body, an ABS handle to engage the clamping face, and a TPR clamp pad to help prevent marring on your tools or workpieces. These clamps have a range of travel from half an inch all the way up to 5 3/4 of an inch. The clamping arm can easily fit into a 3/8 of an inch hole in your auxiliary fences, and they weigh in just under 1 pound. The Milescraft fence clamps can be used with table saws, router tables, miter saws, and more. You can create an auxiliary or sacrificial fence by using something like the Milescraft JointMate, which you can see being used here. Setting up stop blocks on your miter saw helps to increase the efficiency and accuracy of your cuts throughout your project. You can ensure that your pieces will be secured and held at 90 degrees when you use these clamps along with the Milescraft clamp squares. These clamps are ideal for securing auxiliary or sacrificial fences to your table saw, router table, or bandsaw. For more information about this product or any other products featured in this video, please visit milescraft.com. Milescraft, always the better idea.